and her berry.
Once upon a time, there was a girl named Mary who lived in a village near the forest with her father.
They were poor.
One day, Mary said to his father,
I wish we had a house like castle with many berries, Papa.
Well, come here, Mary. I have to tell you something. They said that when you look in the moon and wish something, it will become true.
Really, Papa?
Yes, only if you believe.
Let's try it now, Papa.
Okay, Mary.
So, Mary and her father looked at the moon and whispered their wishes.
I wish we had a castle with lots of berries.
I wish that my little princess had berries as she wanted.
And after they wished, they walked back on way home with happy faces with jumping soul. One fine day, Mary and her father go out and find food everywhere.
Papa, I'm starving.
Just wait for a while, my princess, okay?
Okay, Papa.
Upon walking, her father found a berry tree, while Mary murmuring about her tummy.
Papa, I'm hungry.
Oh, look, there is a berry tree over there.
Wow, and it got a lot of berries.
Let me get some for you, princess.
So, Mary's father reached the berry fruits, as many as she could, and enjoyed eating together.
This is so yummy. I really love berries, Papa.
And it's so sweet, like my little princess.
They laughed together and finished the whole berries. Her father picked, and later on they hid home.
Oh, there is only one left. I should take it. It was already evening, and the moon shines so bright and leads the way.
But Mary didn't notice that she dropped the berry when they almost arrived home.
Good night, Mary, my little princess.
Good night, Papa. Good night, Mr. Moon.
Days were passed. Mary found the berry and cried because she lost it.
Oh, where is my berry? Not here? Not even outside. Where is my berry?
Mary, why are you crying?
Papa, I lost my berry. My only one berry.
Don't worry, my little princess. I will take some for you.
So his father went back where the berry tree were located, but it isn't there anymore.
Oh no! Where is the berry tree? It was just here. Where is it now?
Her father didn't get any berry and was very sad going back home.
Oh, what will I tell to my little princess now? You fooled me. Why? What should I do now? I shouldn't believe you.
But a sparkling light appears in front of him and said,
Don't you worry, warrior princess. Still believe on me, and I want to thank you by giving what she wants.
And the sparkling light disappeared.
The father rushes and ran to their home as fast as he could.
But when he arrived home, Mary was just waiting outside looking on the moon above.
Oh, Mary, you need to rest now. It's already night.
Okay, Papa. Good night.
Sorry, I have got any berries.
And it's okay. I still have you. I love you and Mr. Moon too.
One bright day, calm Mary makes up cheerfully and shouts for her papa.
Papa! Papa! Let's go outside and play!
I'm so busy, Mary.
But Papa, please!
Okay, come here, my little princess.
They were so shocked that a wonderful castle and a bountiful berries welcomed them.
Wow! Papa, a castle and lots of berries. I love it, Papa.
Oh, my princess, we must thank to Mr. Moon what he did to us. And it was all because of Mary and her very wishes come true.
They lived happily ever after.